everyone. This is our iteration release sync video for the product marketing team on digital experience for December 15th. I'm going to hand this off to Tina to kind of show our work for this iteration and go from there.
Sounds good. Thank you. So I completed last iteration. We revamped a bunch of competition pages and the GitLab versus pages. And so I hadn't had time to figure out mobile. So I did that. I focused on that this iteration. So we have them here. I'm not going to show all of them because I'm pretty sure Margaret might show these. I also completed the solutions finance page, which was pretty quick because we were just using our solutions template for it. So I even included the open graph this time. And the last thing is I've been working with Heather and Vic to get some images on the GitLab dedicated page. So we deployed it without an image. We have a temporary image now here, and we're working with Vic to get a custom illustration. So that's still an open issue that hopefully will be closed next week. That's it for me. I'll pass it over to Margaret.
Yep. So during this iteration, I worked on the DevOps tools table update. I'm actually going to share my screen. I don't think I can share. Oh yeah, sorry, I didn't set up Zoom to share my screen.
I'll find it. Oh, there we go.
Okay, sorry. Just setting up a different laptop now, so missed that. So this is the DevOps tool table update. We tried to recreate what we had on the DevDev repo for this, just adding some new features like the hover effect on the logos, and just updating this to the brand, to the brand updates. This is it for the DevOps tools table, and I also worked on the GitLab versus pages. I think I can share a link for that. Just paste that in the chat. Thank you. So this is the updated GitLab versus page for GitHub. We updated the Harvey balls to be progress bars. This also happened on the competition page, on the main page. And we also added the legend on the bottom. We also moved the overview section from the top. It used to be at the top, now it's at the bottom for every stage, in this case for GitHub. And if you can go to the Argo page, so just change the URL from GitHub to Argo. Yeah. So this is a slightly different page. We have a different table just by stage instead of the multiple stages that we have on GitHub. We also updated the variables to be progress bars, and we moved the overview section here. And if you can switch to mobile to show the design Tina was talking about. So this is how it looks now on mobile. We updated the stage to look like a tab here on top. And we also updated the progress bars here. Oh yeah, we can show GitHub. So it looks a little bit like the feature tabs. We have the stages here as different tabs, and you can just navigate to the stages. We updated the styles for those tabs. I think that's it for this. I also started working on some feedback for the post-release pages. I'm a little bit behind because I had an issue with my laptop, but I expect to be done with that release post template and with the GitLab versus pages by the end of the day today. And that's it for me. I think next is Mateo.
Okay, so I was out for half the iteration the first week. For this week, I have a couple of things that I finished. First, I updated the image in the GitLab dedicated page, and then I have a couple of pages that I can show. Where is it? Mm, This one. Okay. So this is the solutions financial services page. It's using the solutions template. Finish this one. And then the GitLab versus page for the synopsis. This one still has the Harvey Walls. I have not applied Margaret's changes, but I am applying the content for it. And this one will be done later today. And yeah, that's it for me. Next, I'll pass it to Heavy.
Thank you, Mateo. This iteration I was with as well as Nathan and Justin. We were at an offsite. In our short little
find Nathan and Justin Herbert.
that was awesome. Thanks, Siri. I worked on closing out some issues that I had from past iterations. So I have adding GA properties to CTAs. I finished the instances of all caps to title case. I sent out that review earlier today. I need not Justin. Gosh, that like really threw me off. I need Dennis to look after the learn.gitlab.com OneTrust country ID and see if it's working properly. And I'm about to submit an MR for that same issue for docs. That's it for me. Nathan.
Let's see if my Google Home goes off or Siri or whatever. Yeah, I was away as well on that offsite in Montreal. But for this last week, I did finish the comparison, like simplifying the verse pages template, but I have to make some changes now because we removed the Harvey balls and things got shifted around. So I just want to make it a little more semantic. So I'll make those changes today. And then there's a bunch of GitLab Learn updates. So just removing courses, adding courses. Also filtering on the platform page, there's just a bug to filter by marking equals true. And then I formatted the redirects YAML file to a CSV for SEO so that they could review it and then add status codes and all that kind of stuff. So the most of it though has been trying to jump into Smartling and get access requests for Smartling and all those things fastly, which is always fun. But yeah, that's it for me. I don't know, Justin, do you want to take it away?
I think that's about it. Awesome. And then for everyone watching this video, next week we're going to turn on a production changelog for buyer's experience because of the holidays. So there may not be a release video for this next iteration. And if that's the case, then we'll see everyone watching next year.